How can OMRON contribute to more fulfilling lives and a better society? By advancing manufacturing, the foundation of convenient living. By revolutionizing healthcare to the benefit of all. By creating a mobility system to enable safe, comfortable transportation. By developing sustainable energy management to help preserve the natural environment. Through our Sensing and Control Plus Think technology, OMRON is creating new value for future generations. Sensing life, thinking future. OMRON.